Okay, so this is a beautiful care package from Manicurist. Okay, so we can put everything in here. All right, I guess this is the lamp. The small one. I actually have the big one. Okay, so this is a prep. Let's put it in here. This is a top coat. Quick drying drops. And high shine long wear top coat. The sunshine top coat. I've tried this one. So this is actually, this smells really good, I have to say. Rosy, as far as I can remember. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. So it looks like I got 2 of them. This is very generous with Manicurist, I have to say. 2 of them. And this also soaks off the gel polish. This is the regular polish in Mimosa. It says active. Smooth. Number 03. Mimosa in gel polish. I can't read it without glasses. But it's the green flash. This is the gel polish number 2. Active smooth. Okay, active smooth in 01. So this one is a little bit darker. See? I'm gonna test them today, I think. Active shine. I like this one. Use it quite a bit. Green flash. Vitamin base coat. Not sure about the vitamins, but okay. Top coat. Green flash. So this is the UV cured. This is the regular polish in red cherry. They really have good reds, I have to say. Okay, the second one of the base coats. The vitamin base coat. Instant dry extra long wear top coat. Okay, so this is the LED cured one. It's the UV cured. The tool. I have to say I wasn't too crazy about the tool. This one I really like. I have quite a few clients that really like this. This is like a very sheer white that does not streak, that has like a blue sheen to it. Blue flash. This one seems like it has a little bit less blue flash, but I guess it depends on the light, which actually would be a good thing. This is the cuticle remover. I've used it. It's good. Wow. Green flash. This is the UV cured in pistachio. This one I have not tried yet. This is the new glow called grape. No, I have it. I have the grape. I've tried it. I think so. Yeah, I have. This is... Okay, I have to check it out later. Nails and cuticles nourishes and strengthens. I'm not too crazy how the word cuticle is used a little incorrectly everywhere. This is a pen. Yes, I remember using this like years ago when I started in the industry. Like a pen to clean up the nail contour. These are the little clips that you can use for the gel polish removal. Wow, so much stuff. Crazy. Crazy. Oh, a brush. Like a detail brush. Perfect line. Liner brush. Very nice. Look at this. The whole bag is going to be full. More information. System green. There was more. Green flash, red cherry. Okay, so this is the gel polish version. A buffer block. Looks really nice. Another, this is a dotting tool. So dotting tool is to make little dots on with the nail polish. It's like Christmas. Top coat, green flash top coat. But you know, guys, I always give you my honest, this is honest opinion. Active plump. I'm gonna use this for sure, possibly today. I have a client that likes these type of manicures. Can't wait to use it because quite a few of you guys were asking about it. Active Glow, this is the original one, cranberry. More clips. And also the darker, this is the number 2. Okay. The Active Smooth. I want to see how sheer it is, I'm curious. And, wait, we have more. And nail files. These are the thicker ones. They look really good. Good growth for sure. Like, this is probably 180 to, yeah, 100, 180. Yeah. So quite, I would rather see for natural nails, to be honest with you, 180 to 40. But this is pretty good. All right, so I'm going to be using these products in upcoming days as soon as I can to show you guys. Let me know which products you are the most interested in seeing first, okay? So, yeah, let me know. And thank you so much, Manicurist, for sending me this beautiful, care package. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye.